guys. Hi, this is Marcello Arcele, your friendly waste stream analyst right here in Metro Atlanta. This week, I'd like to share with you a few simple principles that ultimately impact my decisions and actions. These principles have shaped our culture, and they are at the foundation of our commitment for ethical culture. This commitment, I take it seriously. Now, today is day 4. Today is going to be about driven. I'm curious to know what you guys, when you hear the word driven, what does that mean to you? I know it's kind of broad or even vague, but I'll let you know what that means to me. When it pertains to driven, it's ultimately being driven to making the good decision or the best decision for yourself or your corporation. Now, think about this. Every single day, someone might ask you, hey, Marcello, can you help me out to do this? Or do you mind looking the other way? Or better yet, probably doing something that if someone asks you, why did you do that? You know in the pit of your stomach it was the wrong decision. Those are the things that you got to consider. In the comments, I'll share a few questions that better illustrate what I'm talking about as well. Now, as I stand here, you see these cars coming out. I hope this helps illustrate. These vehicles have drivers in each second. These individuals have to make a decision, just like I am. Think about that for yourself when you're driving down the road. Should I go left? Should I go right? Our lives is all about decisions. Make sure that you're driven to make the right one. I want to thank you very much for your friendship. Be sure to put in the comments or even share a video of what driven means to you. Thank you and take care. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.